Hello everyone, it's Leandra here from Tynker. This week, our team has chosen a special selection of community highlights, starting with Become an Ice Dragon by W. Brown 21. Looking at their code, we see repeat until blocks and if blocks. Try to freeze creatures as an ice dragon. Our next project is Star Scramble by V. Shaw 0703. In their code, we see when I receive blocks and when touching blocks. Try to touch as many stars as possible, but be aware of the red balls. Our next project is Official Video by john.willey. In their code, there is the On Start block and Forever block. Check out this original video. Our final project is Don't Touch the Black by jguenther. In their code, we see when actor clicked blocks and wait blocks. Try to get across to the door without touching the black. Thank you for watching and sign into Tynker.com for free to create your very own projects.